Hey everybody, this is Andy again from the law offices of Andrew G. Rosenberg, PA, and I'm here to help in car accident cases. One of the questions that I receive a lot of is dealing with the insurance adjusters, and in fact, the insurance carriers. People want to know, the question is, do I have to speak to the insurance carrier? And my answer is yes and no. Typical legal response. The answer to yes is, when it comes to your insurance, and I'm talking about Florida, by the way, at least in Florida, it may be different in other areas, but in Florida, the answer to the question of, do I have to speak to my insurance company after a car accident? The answer is yes, when it's your insurance. And that's by contract. And it usually, at least in Florida, has to be a recorded statement. They want to understand what's going on, how the car accident happened, were you hurt, what happened during the car accident, how it happened, things of that nature. And by contract, when you actually take out the insurance policy for car insurance, part of that contract says that you have to talk to them and it has to be a recorded statement. So that's that half of the equation. The other half of the equation is, what happens about the other insurance company? Do you have to speak to them? And my answer to you is no. You don't have to speak to them, and I would suggest that you don't speak to them unless you consider legal counsel. But you don't have to. You don't have to have legal counsel if you don't want to, but I suggest that you do not speak to the other side. You definitely don't speak to the other side and do a recorded statement like we do on, and is required with your own insurance. So, to sum this up, if it's your own insurance company, you have to speak to them, and it has to be a recorded statement, at least in the state of Florida it does. I don't know about other states, but you do not have to speak to the other side's insurance carrier. Usually, I will have my clients speak to the other side, but we will do what's called a non-recorded statement, and I will make sure that they don't go across the line as far as questions that they ask. I hope you found this valuable and interesting. Do me a favor, please like, comment, or subscribe to the YouTube channel. In addition, look at the description down below at the link if you want to find more information on other topics. And finally, I hope you would want to have more valuable information to help you if you ever are in a car accident situation. Do me a favor. I have a website called askandylegal.com. There's lots of valuable information that you can get, and it's free. So why not go there? Thanks, and have a good afternoon.